What? Beef fizz? We gotta check this out. Let's go to the store. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is day 28 of the 30-day vlogging improvement challenge. And as you see from the intro, I found a recipe online on Facebook for a beef fizz. And this was posted by one of my friends on Facebook. So I figured, hey, what the heck, why not? Let's check it out. So I've got Yoshi with me and I've got all the ingredients from the store. And it contains 2 cans of beef broth. 1, 2. 1 cup of chilled ginger ale. So this is 7.5 fluid ounces. This is almost a cup. It's not quite a cup. It's close enough. And then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I've got our lemon juice right here. So that being said, we've got our mixing container and our mixing spoon. What do you think? Should we get ice or should we just raw dog it?
I think we should have ice.
Okay, so we've got our container full of ice. I guess let's just get started making this thing here. So I've got my can opener here for the 2 cans of beef broth. Anyway. Oh God, please don't. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be awesome. All right, so 1 can of beef broth. Oh, that smells like gravy. That smells like beef broth.
Well,
yeah. Okay, I mean, I'm just saying. It is a beef fizz, so we'll see. I don't know how 1 cup of ginger ale is gonna fizz up 2 cans of beef broth. All right, there's 2.
that one looks a little bit better than the first one.
Let's see. Let's do this. Well, there's nothing on the bottom. That's fine. Oh my, that's a lot of beef broth.
I'd rather not smell it.
All right, so there's 2 cans of beef broth, and then 1 cup of ginger ale. I don't know if we should just pour it in, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Should we add a little bit more, you think? Just make it a full cup?
Yeah, maybe that little one.
You make it the full cup.
Thought it better.
There we go. That's good. And then now 2 tablespoons. This is the tablespoon, not this. Of lemon juice. So. Oops.
Oh, geez.
Oops. Okay. Oh. Can't take me anywhere, I guess. 1. Lemon juice smells good.
Opposed to everything else.
2. Well, I mean, the ginger ale is good.
Well, yeah.
So, all right. So, stick you in there. Hang up a little bit. Mixer. Smell it. No. Well, you're gonna have to smell it anyway. All right. All right. It's all mixed up. Hold on. Glasses. Got our emergency waters in case this is horrible. All right. Let's just give this another mixy mix. All right. So. Come on.
No, you first.
Do you want ice with it, or do you care?
I want ice. Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's a good idea. Crack it open first.
Yeah. Okay. Well, just let me. So in case I flail about and so it doesn't spill. All right, in 3
shots.
All right, beef fizz, as seen on Facebook. In 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Actually, not that bad. You don't like it?
Well, no.
Okay. Maybe I got more ice than you did, but
Yeah.
it's actually not.
Mine's a little, like, sourish. It tastes like
It to me, it doesn't seem as bad as I would
like the
thought.
vinegar. Like
No, I'm not getting any of that. I'm getting like
there was this one soup that I had one time. It was like green beans and like vinegar soup or something. It
Yeah.
tastes like that, and I don't like it.
I'm definitely tasting the.
More, you're going back for more?
No, I just want to make sure that we have an even, taste, because yours seem kind of like you got a lot. Well, here.
I didn't even drink that much. I had a sip, and I don't like it. You're like, oh.
I mean, it's not. Okay, so it's not horrible. It's not as bad as the Beverly.
Mm-hmm. Compared to Beverly,
But it's also like
not good.
it's cold, so making things cold makes things taste a little bit better.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely got that like salty, like if you drink a non-flavored Gatorade. Oh, there's the beefy aftertaste.
That's what I like.
I mean,
I like the aftertaste of my drinks.
what if we splash a little bit more ginger ale on it?
Can I just have the ginger ale?
I mean, you can, but all right,
That's a little bit more fizzy than, yeah.
Oh, see, that's really pleasant. That extra ginger ale top so
With the extra ginger ale,
I guess
it's
if you
better.
top it off with the ginger ale, it's not so bad. I can't believe I'm actually drinking this.
Mm-hmm.
It's not horrible. I mean, just add a. What if we add another?
No, I think that's what's making it worse is like sour.
You don't like the sour?
Yeah.
Well,
That's
I mean,
that's what I'm getting like the vinegary from. I think. I don't know.
I mean, it's not horrible. Yeah, I actually don't mind this.
Yeah, I think it's just like the thought of like I can almost like feel the beef broth, like
Yeah, but
like when I look at this and I look at that, I'm expecting like it looks like iced tea,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
something, and I have like lemonade over there.
well, I mean,
That's what I'm expecting, but no, I get this.
I mean, call me crazy, but it's not horrible. I mean, it's definitely giving me some like burps,
Mm-hmm.
and I definitely taste the beefiness,
Yeah.
but it's not.
See, it's
horrible. It's not as bad as I thought. I thought it was going to be like
Yeah.
gross, but it's not horrible. So it. I
I
guess
think it's just that I don't like the beef flavor in my cold drinks.
yeah. If I stuck it in the fridge, somebody might mistake it for iced tea. But
Mm-hmm.
it's not. It's not horrible. I would say out of a scale of like 1 to 10, it's probably like a 4.5, like a solid 4.5. But I mean, it's not. It's not bad. It's not. It's not like oh, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not horrible. And adding the ginger ale on top definitely, to give it that fizz, definitely is the way to go. Yeah, I mean, it's not horrible, but I have tasted better. So, yeah, guys, in the comments below, let me know if you've tried this or how you think it should taste. I don't think it tastes that bad, but I don't know, maybe I'm kind of weird. Yoshi doesn't like it,
Yeah,
but it's beef fizz. I did it. I drank it, so you guys don't have to. And there you go. There it is. Guys, we appreciate you coming and hanging out with us today. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and turning notifications on so that you know whenever we release new content. Also, if you like this video, please like and share with your friends. It does help out the channel immensely. Well, that's the video for today, guys. We drank some beef fizz. Thanks to everyone who's been following the channel, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next video. Till then, take care, everyone.